390 with me. We're out on I-85 headed towards the Charlotte, North Carolina area. We've got the trailer in tow, you can see, and probably bring a car back home. Look at some other cars while we're out. So we'll be back with you here in a little bit. You guys take care. We got a cool surprise for you, I believe. Say hey, Field Agent 390. Hey. Hey folks, Bob here. I came to look at this Imperial Crown 1963. Check out that steering wheel, won't you? A little crack right there, but man, this is a, good Lord, what a comfortable car. Oh, me. What'd you say?
It's got the owner's manual.
Yeah, he told me that, yeah. Check out the trunk, the way they did the trunk on this car, folks. There's the extra hubcap right there. And the clear coat's a peeling on it. For some reason, it's probably poor prep, whoever. Clear, you got to put the clear on wet. Windshield wiper broken.
I think what's wrong there is somebody took them off, put blades on them or something, and didn't time them back right.
Right, yeah. That's probably, yeah, you're right. That could very well be. I love the way they did the front end. These cars have a one-piece front end. There's no, the fenders are not separate from the header, from the front nose. It's all one piece. Now, obviously this in here is, but these headlights are pedestal mounted headlights. That is so cool. That really is cool the way they did that. Very, very cool. He's going to get gas, a side of gas. He says it runs and drives on it, but they don't have any brakes. We're just going to check that power booster. We're suspicious of the power booster. That is so cool. How clear it is, guys. Look at that. A nasty little. Like it was painted in lacquer. And the interior. Look at this. Look how they did that. Got the old square steering wheel. It's a non. This is another thing, folks. It's a non-AC car. Now, we had this car on the channel earlier. So even though it has an air button, that's for vents. There's no air conditioning on this car, which is kind of rare for an Imperial Crown edition. Even that. But you can look and see. Oh, wait a minute. What is that right there? Aha. Okay. Yeah, I think the condenser mounted. All right, folks, let me turn you loose. Okay, folks, Bob here. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I got old Field Agent 390 with me. As you saw, the car had some issues. You saw the water running out from the passenger side floor, the heater core area, and it was kind of rusty. And we had a hard time getting it started. It was out of gas. Once we got some gas, it started up. Seemed to run okay. There was no brakes on the car, so I couldn't drive it. He didn't really want me to put it in gear. Then he kind of said, okay, well, you put it in gear, just make sure you put it in forward. I don't want to back it into the building and all that kind of stuff. And The tail lights had those spider cracks on it. They were pretty bad shape. They were going to need to be replaced. There was a ton of Bondo in the car. That was the thing that disappointed me the most. I brought 2 magnets with me. A refrigerator magnet, which is real light. If there's any skim coat at all on the car, the refrigerator magnet won't stick. And then I brought a medium magnet that'll stick through a skim coat, but not through actual Bondo. So the refrigerator magnet was just not doing nothing. It just fell right on the ground. The other magnet would drag a little bit, and as I got to the doors and up on the roof and higher up on the quarter panel, the big magnet stuck pretty good. But down low, it won't have none of it. So the car had a lot of Bondo in it, had a lot of Bondo in the fenders. Matter of fact, the driver's fender had some cracking from where the Bondo was starting to split up. I don't know. I just not what I want to get into. He was kind of firm on the price. I believe I could have danced with him, got him down a little bit, but to me, that car. Another thing, the seat wasn't bolted down good. It makes me think the floorboard might have had some issues. I didn't even bother looking up under there. I just saw that, and the general shape of the car is neglected bad. And around the windows, I put a magnet around the windows. They all were pretty solid around there. Maybe the lip at the firewall that seals the hood looked like it might have been some rust on that lip. It's been painted over, it looked like, and it had a wore out gasket over top of it. Trunk pan had a lot of holes in it, so it's going to need to be replaced. So anyway, we decided to pass. Reluctantly, didn't even really negotiate. He seemed firm on the price, and I'm no way even at half the price he was talking. I would have bought the car at half the price, but that's what it would have taken, and it would have. I don't know if we would have ever got there. I know we would have never got there. I've been doing this too long. When someone's that firm on their asking price, you really got to struggle to get $200 or $300. So we passed. We're on the interstate, headed back home, and we'll do another adventure. Maybe I don't know. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? All right, folks. Later on. Y'all take care.